Uh-oh, Wilson. Looks like there's an emergency. Let's call Chug Patrol HQ. Chuggington! I'm right here in the roundhouse. Chugger, chugger, chuggington. The roundhouse is the greatest place to start a brand new day. It's where we plan all our adventures and head off on our way. Good morning, chuggers. We arrived where there's so much to see, so many things to learn. And when the long day is over, it's so great to return to the roundhouse, where each day starts and each day ends. Roundhouse, the place we love to share with our best friends. Wilson's it. You can play jog tag in Roundhouse Park, or watch a movie at the drive-in after dark. It's Acton Chugger. Roundhouse is the greatest place to end a busy day. We go there after our adventures to dream the night away. The roundhouse, where each day starts and each day ends. Roundhouse, the place we love to share with our best friends. Night night, see you tomorrow. I'm hungry, Wilson. I know where you can get something yummy. Chugger, chugger, chuggington. Yum, yum, here we come. Yum, yum, here we come. I guess by now you'll know exactly where we're going. Frostinis, ice cream factory. Don't you know that's our favorite place to be? Let's ride the rail, it's time to waiting. Gonna do some ice cream tasting at Frostinis ice cream factory. He's gotta rinse and mix it up. Oh yeah, he'll fix it up. And his flavor creator. Is there anything greater than popcorn ice cream?
Magnifico!
Frostinis ice cream factory. Don't you know it's our favorite place to be? The wagons are waiting to take the ice cream everywhere. In a cone or in a cup, Frostini's gonna serve it up. Chocolate chip, pistachio, or even croissant. Frostini wants to know what flavor you want. Frostini's ice cream factory. Yes, I want chocolate chip. Oh, bumpers! I forgot the way. I wish we had a map of Chuggington. We do. Follow me. Chugger, chugger, Chuggington. Now where was I trying to go? Oh, I remember the depot. A right, a left, then go straight. Find the way, and don't be late. Follow directions on the map, on the way. Clickety clap, clap, clap. If I get lost, the map will get me back. Putting me on the right track. We're at the depot, as you can see. It's where we all report to be. directions on the map, find the way. Clickety clack clack clack. If I get lost, the map will get back, putting me on the right track. Where else can we go? Ooh, that looks fun. At the safari park, too short to find the tower. Take a tour, just follow directions on the map, find the way. Clickety clack clack clack. If we get lost, the map will help us back, putting us on the right track. There's a ship coming in, Brewster. We better head for the docks. Chugger, Chuggington! Oh, let's go see the docks and skip the stew. Koko, see Hamish in the hold and Mason crew. Hi, Hamish. Ahoy, Skipper Stew.
Ahoy there! Ship arriving!
It's where the ships come in and the ships go out. That's what the docks are all about. The docks leave home and the ship to the crane. The docks leave home and on to the trains. Everyone helps, this is what to be done to get the goods from the docks in Chuggington.
When the ships come in, everybody does their part. Everybody does their part. Things go better when we're working together. We keep it safe. The team is smart.
Sorry!
Brewster!
The docks leave home from the ship to the crane. The docks leave home and on to the trains. Everyone helps, this is what to be done to get the goods from the docks in Chuggington.
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.